Today let us learn how to make a 3D card. Let's get started. First we are going to learn how to make a witch hat. We are going to later cut this shape so that we can give a 3D effect to the Halloween card. And now it's time to make a pumpkin. Pumpkins are really very spooky looking. Learn here how you can make it very easily. Feel free to pause the video wherever you want to see the detailing. Happy drawing! Whoa, now these are two really spooky looking shapes that we have. Now use a double-sided tape to stick on these on your card. It will give a 3D effect to it. And now it's time to decorate the card. Here I am going to make quickly two star shapes. You can make anything that you feel like. Really, feel free to draw. Just color them yellow if you're doing it along with me. Now it's time to learn how to make a spider web. Isn't it interesting to have a spider web on the card that you're going to give to your friend? Really? So let's learn it. There it is, and now I'm just gonna find two more spaces to fit in some little spider webs. You can make as many as you feel like, alright? Just go with the flow. And a little one here too. Spider webs really give a very haunted feel to anything that you make. And here there is a bat that I found in one of my notebooks, and I just cut it out, and I'm going to give a 3D effect with the bat. I grabbed a piece of paper and wrote "It's Halloween" on it. You can write anything and just put a double-sided tape to it so that it will give a 3D effect. Inside, I'm going to write "Have a Spooktacular Halloween." Later, I'm going to stick this. First, I have something really interesting. I am going to scare my friend by writing "Boo" inside it. My god. So just learn it with me how cute it's going to look. Now to give it some extra effect, I'm going to make eyes and a little face also. I'm trying to give the first one the look and feel of a boy and the second one a look and feel of a girl. And both of them look so scared inside Boo. And just little background. This is almost done. Just bring the cutout that you made earlier, have a Spooktacular Halloween and stick it there using a double-sided tape. That's it. It's ready. I can't believe how cute it's looking. Happy Halloween, guys. Enjoy yourselves.